Hi fam, how is everybody doing today? Good, cause we're back with another video, you guys. Today we're gonna do a breakfast skillet, right? So I know you're wondering, what am I gonna do with this oil? Go get your snack and come on back, and we finna get big. Okay fam, so we have our skillet on medium heat. Now what you see is little bits of goodness, right? Because I fried some bacon. Now for this recipe, it was going to have bacon in it. But listen to me good, y'all. Don't tell nobody. The kid ate the bacon up. Now yes, I got more bacon. But bacon too hot to keep frying, y'all. But anyway, this is goodness from bacon. Now this skillet fry, breakfast skillet fry, okay, it's gonna be delicious because this oil right here is gonna season my potatoes, you guys. It's gonna season my potatoes. You know what I'm saying? So we just gonna gently put them right on in here, right? Now I have approximately, I want to say it was 6 potatoes, right? And I'm going to start off with these potatoes. Because this right here is going to be a great breakfast idea for a lot of people that's watching, right? Now, we're going to season these potatoes up with some dash as soon as I get it out, right? I hate when they get these clumps. But we're going to break them up just like that. Because all of that's gone. Because every little bit counts. Right? So, and we're going to, with a little Creole seasoning, we're going to go right on in there. Right? My recipe. Okay? Now, you don't have to follow the seasonings that I have. Okay? And we got us a little garlic powder. Right? A little garlic powder. And we're going to go right on in there with it, right? You guys, this breakfast skillet is going to be delicious. It's easy. You know what? I hate that I didn't pick up the regular black pepper. But we just going to go on here with this black pepper right here. You know? I don't even know if that made it. But we going to pretend it did, okay? Ha! Okay, and we got us a little soul food seasoning, right? And we're going to put that in there. Just like that. Oh, yeah. Now, these potatoes is good and seasoned, right? So, we're going to let them get a little brown. Right? We're going to let them get a little brown. Stir that up in there because we want that seasoning mixed with this oil. And we want these potatoes to cook. And we're going to be right back with it because we have some, y'all, the stuff about to tilt over. Okay, so we got us a little bit of bell pepper. I could have cut up the green and all of that, but like I say, we're on a budget over here. So we got some red onion and we got some garlic. Now, I chopped that the other day while I was revealing my new knife from Japan, right? So, yeah, you guys, this link will be in the description. You guys go over and check it out. If you didn't, I mean, it's a beautiful knife. Look at the knife, y'all. Look at the detail on it, okay? So, yeah, go check it out. They work with a budget. If you need, I guess you need it. But, yeah. So, back to the meal. This breakfast skillet is going to consist of the onions, the bell peppers, and the garlic. Fresh grated cheese. Now, this ain't the container it came in. This is what I put it in because I shredded it myself, right? Okay, and we got some Bob Evans sausage, you guys. Bob Evans sausage. And we're going to make us a breakfast skillet. You know, we're going to enjoy this breakfast skillet. You can have this skillet for lunch, brunch, breakfast, you name it. And a snack. You name it. But anywho, let's let this cook and we'll be right back. So yes, you guys, let's check on our potatoes, you guys. As you see, they're cooking well. Oh yeah, they browning. Okay. Now, depends on how brown you want it. Oh yeah. I want mine to be more of a, I guess you could say lighter brown, but anywho, but I'm still going to keep it frying, right? Now, at this point, let me give you a little cooking tip, right? At this point, if you wasn't making this, you can use this and make scalloped potatoes, right? You know what I'm saying? Scalloped potatoes, smothered potatoes, because all you have to do is add a little whipping cream and use some cheese in there if that's what you like, and just let it come to a thickness, right? And don't forget, you can always add your onions to give it more in-depth flavor, right? Just a little cooking tip, you know, because pretty much one recipe can make 1,000 recipes, right? Okay, so now what we're going to do now is we're going to add our onions and everything to the skillet, right? Because we're going to let that cook on in there. Oh yeah, look at the colors on that, right? Doesn't that look delicious? Oh my goodness. This skillet is going to be popping. But anywho, ain't nothing like a home cook that know how to cook. You know what I'm saying? And ain't nothing wrong with calling yourself a chef when you know what you're doing, right? This recipe is definitely mouth-watering. It's gonna change or ramp up your taste buds, right? So we're gonna let that cook a little bit, and then we're gonna add our sausage in there. Okay, guys, so we have let this cook a little more. Now, like I say, you guys, these are Bob Evans sausage. Now, we're going to let this cook until completion, right? This is a quick, easy breakfast brunch idea. You guys, I don't know. I can just tell you this. It's definitely yummy. We're going to let that go ahead and do its thing, right? These potatoes are already tender, but it's okay. Oh, Tell me, would you cook this, you guys, in your kitchen? But anyway, like, comment, and share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on this channel. You guys, I really appreciate each and every one of you who gives me a view and tune in for my recipes. And I really appreciate Melissa B, who loves to recreate my recipes. I appreciate you, girl. And yes, you guys, if you don't know who she is, go over and check her out, because I love her, you know. I love her as well as Truth, you know. I love them two ladies because they keep it real. They keep it 100. But anywho, you guys, if you don't know them, go over and check them out. Truth herself, as well as Melissa B. Go check them two ladies out if you like to know what's going on in the YouTube streets, and they keep it above. Okay? They don't add to it. and they don't take nothing from it. But they definitely give good advice on anything in the YouTube streets. Okay, so furthermore, let's get back into this recipe. You guys, when I tell you this is the perfect recipe that you will want, and I have to say, even if you're like doing low keto, I mean, the potatoes, it's limited to, but all in all, it's a good recipe, you know. How I know? Because I'm fasting, or whatever you call it. I'm losing a little weight here, okay? But anywho, you guys, let's go ahead and let this cook, and then we'll be back for the final touch. Okay, guys, take a look at this. Oh my goodness, the potatoes are good and tender. Sausage is cooked well. Oh yeah. Now, like I say, by all means, however dark you want your potatoes, go for it, baby. These are golden yellow potatoes. This recipe was definitely easy. Any home cooked meal is always good for the soul. If there's nothing like soul food, you guys. I consider this soul food? Yes, I consider this soul food style. And so, as far as comfort food style, you know, I consider this that, right? I grew up on this with my ancestors, okay? Yes. So we're going to put some grated cheddar cheese on it just like that. Just like that. Now, I'm a cheese lover, right? But I'm going to stop right there. Because everybody ain't no cheese lover, right? Everybody is not no cheese lover. Around here anyway. And you can always add cheese on it. Now, for decoration, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put us some dry parsley on here. By all means, if you have fresh, use it. But this right here, oh my goodness. There you go. You have a quick, easy meal. Comfort style. Oh my goodness, you guys. Like, comment, and share this video with everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing. She make an easy recipe. Something that you can create and enjoy. And share with a friend, a neighbor. You know, send that elderly person a plate. You know what I'm saying? Baby, we'll see you guys on the next video. You guys, I will definitely see you on the next video. Until then, share this video, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. I can't tell you enough, okay? And don't forget, make this meal. Bye-bye.